Voyager log, stardate 2144.3. Voyager has landed at Hunting Island State Park in South Carolina. The 5,000-acre state park has 100 campsites and 5 miles of beach, perfect for Kona, the three-legged alien dog, to run and explore. Also in the park is a 136-foot cast iron lighthouse completed in 1875. Command Module Log, stardate 2144.4. We completed an EVA to Charlestown Landing Historical Park, which in 1670 English settlers landed to become the first settlement in what would become the colony of South Carolina. Voyager log, stardate 2144.5. In 1696, settlers from Dorchester, Massachusetts, founded the colonial Dorchester town in South Carolina, which thrived until the Revolutionary War. On the way back to home base, Voyager spent one night at Colleton State Park, a 35-acre state park with 25 campsites on the bank of the Edisto River.
I guess the drugs are wearing off. She likes something down here.
I don't know. I think she likes sand.
Yeah. This is crazy.